In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Constant Contact. If you've ever wanted to give your emails a fresh new look, adjusting the background color is a great place to start. It's a simple process that can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your email and how it's perceived by your recipients. Now, let's dive in and explore how you can easily change the background color to suit your style and messaging. First, you'll want to open your Constant Contact account and navigate to the campaign where you'd like to make changes. Once you've opened the specific email campaign or template you're working on, you'll want to look for the section where you're keen to update the background color. To start making changes, you'll need to click on the Edit icon, often represented by a pencil or similar icon, in the section you wish to modify. This simple step is crucial as it opens up options for customization. Once you've clicked on this icon, you'll notice that a menu will appear on the left side of your screen. This menu will contain various customization settings, including ones related to width and backgrounds. In this menu, your primary focus should be on finding the outer background settings. Look for the paint icon, which usually represents the background settings in the editor. When you select this icon, you'll be presented with a palette of colors. Here, you can browse through the colors available or choose a color that best represents your brand or personal style. Remember, the color you select can convey different emotions or messages. For instance, blues might convey trust, reds can feel energetic, and greens often appear refreshing. Take a moment to consider the overall impression you want to give to your readers. Once you've selected your preferred background color, simply click on it. You'll notice the changes reflecting on the preview of your email almost instantly. This feature allows you to see how your choice fits with other design elements within the template, ensuring everything looks cohesive and professional. Take your time to experiment if needed, as tweaking colors can occasionally yield surprising results that better suit your design goals. And just like that, you've successfully changed the background color in Constant Contact, giving your email a fresh and personalized appearance. Always remember, small changes like these can significantly impact your audience's engagement. With this newfound knowledge, you can continue to create more dynamic and visually appealing email content in the future. Happy designing!